A dental microsurgery kit with a black color coding is a specialized set of instruments designed for precision in dental procedures, particularly those requiring detailed and meticulous work, such as periodontal surgery, endodontic surgery, or implantology. These instruments are engineered to offer enhanced visibility and control, reducing glare and improving precision during surgery. Key features of the dental microsurgery kit with black color coding. 1. Enhanced visibility. The black coating reduces glare and reflection from surgical lights, allowing for a clearer view of the surgical site. 2. Durability. The black coating is typically made from a durable material such as titanium nitride or a similar compound, which increases the lifespan of the instruments and makes them resistant to corrosion. 3. Precision design. The instruments are designed with fine tips and ergonomic handles to allow for precise manipulation and control during surgery. Manufactured by Haggai Surgical International. Haggai Surgical International is known for producing high-quality surgical instruments, including dental microsurgery kits. Here are some details about their offerings. 1. Quality and craftsmanship. Haggai Surgical International manufactures their instruments with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring that each piece meets the highest standards of quality and performance. 2. Advanced coating technology. The black color coating used by Haggai Surgical International not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the instruments, but also improves their functionality by reducing light reflection and increasing durability. 3. Innovative design. The instruments are designed with input from dental professionals, ensuring they meet the specific needs of dental microsurgery. The ergonomic designs reduce hand fatigue and improve precision. 5. Global reputation. Haggai Surgical International is recognized worldwide for its commitment to quality and innovation in the field of surgical instruments. Their dental microsurgery kits are trusted by dental professionals globally.